Here's your complete YouTube script package for camouflage tattooing as a beauty business add-on. Script, copy-paste ready, no headings. Here's a number that surprises most beauty professionals. A single scar camouflage session can pay more than an entire day of haircuts or facials combined. Some clients pay between $300 and $1,200 for one session. But before you get excited, let's be clear, this is not a learn it in a weekend and get rich business. It's a skill-based service with real training costs, real risks, and a real learning curve. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it costs to add this service, how much you can realistically earn, and whether it's worth your time and money. This video is for beauty professionals who already run or work in a salon, spa, or permanent makeup studio, and want to add a high-ticket service without starting a business from zero. It's also for licensed cosmetologists or estheticians looking for a specialty that doesn't require opening a new location. This is not for someone with zero background in skin, beauty, or tattooing who wants a side hustle they can learn overnight. If you're squeamish around needles, scars, or skin conditions, this isn't for you either. So what exactly is camouflage tattooing? In simple terms, it's the use of specialized pigments and tattooing techniques to blend scars, stretch marks, vitiligo patches, or areola reconstruction marks into the surrounding skin tone. It's part of a bigger category called paramedical or medical tattooing. You make money by charging per session, and most clients need 2 to 3 sessions to get the best result, which means one client can generate multiple bookings. Now let's talk numbers, because this is where realism matters. Industry estimates suggest the global paramedical tattoo market was valued at around $2.5 billion, growing at roughly 12% a year, and scar camouflage alone makes up about a third of that market. The broader U.S. tattoo industry crossed the $600 million mark in recent years and keeps climbing, with cosmetic and medical tattooing specifically called out as the fastest-growing segment. In plain English, this niche is growing faster than traditional tattooing, and demand is being driven by more surgeries, more awareness of vitiligo treatment, and more people wanting non-surgical options for scars. Let's get into what it actually costs to start. Keep in mind, this is a low-cost model because you're adding it to an existing beauty business, not opening a brand new studio. Training and certification, $2,500 to $6,000. Equipment, machine, needles, specialized pigments, $800 to $1,500. Licenses and legal, blood-borne pathogen certification, state tattoo license, business permit, $300 to $800. Inventory and consumables, numbing cream, gloves, aftercare products, $300 to $600. Space, if you're renting a booth or using existing salon space, $0 to $500 one-time setup. Website or booking system add-on, $300 to $1,200. Marketing for launch, $300 to $700. Miscellaneous, insurance, consent forms, PPE, $200 to $400. Total minimum investment, roughly $4,700 to $10,000. Here's where that money actually goes. Training is the single biggest expense, and it should be. This is not something you learn from YouTube tutorials, because doing it wrong on a client scar or vitiligo patch can cause real, permanent damage. Your equipment cost covers a proper cosmetic tattoo machine and pigments specifically formulated to match skin tones, which are different from standard tattoo ink. Licensing protects you legally and is often required before you can even book a client. And your booking system matters more than people think, because clients booking a 3-figure medical adjacent service want a professional intake process, not a text message back and forth. On the monthly side, expect to spend somewhere between $500 and $1,000. That covers pigment restocking, insurance, booking software, and ongoing marketing to keep new clients coming in. Now, income potential, and I want to be direct here, not hyped. A conservative estimate is 4 clients a month at around $400 per session, which is about $1,600 in monthly revenue. A realistic estimate, once you have a steady client base and some referrals, is 8 clients a month at around $500, putting you near $4,000 a month. An optimistic scenario, you're established, booked out, maybe taking referrals from dermatologists, is 15 clients a month at $600, close to $9,000. Profit margins in this niche tend to run 60 to 75%, because your biggest cost was the one-time training, not ongoing materials. Based on the realistic scenario, most people recover their initial investment within 2 to 3 months. That's a fast break even compared to most beauty businesses, but only if you actually book clients consistently, which brings us to mistakes. The biggest mistake people make is skipping proper certification to save money. This service works on damaged or sensitive skin, and a bad result isn't just embarrassing, it can be permanent. The second mistake is underpricing out of fear. New artists often charge half of what the service is worth, which actually makes clients trust you less. The third mistake is not building a referral relationship with dermatologists, plastic surgeons, or mastectomy support groups, who are one of the best sources of qualified clients. Here's where the real opportunity sits. Most tattoo studios focus on decorative work, and most med spas don't offer scar or vitiligo work at all. That gap is your opening. Areola restoration after mastectomy surgery is particularly underserved. Very few licensed artists in most cities offer it, despite steady demand. Your differentiation isn't just skill, it's specialization and trust, positioning yourself as the go-to person for a specific condition rather than a generalist. So here's how you actually start. Step 1. Get certified through an accredited paramedical or scar camouflage tattoo training program. Don't skip this. Step 2. Handle your licensing and blood-borne pathogen certification before you touch a single client. Step 3. Invest in proper equipment and pigments matched for diverse skin tones. Step 4. Set up a simple booking and intake system so clients can book consultations online. Step 5. Build relationships with 2 or 3 local dermatologists or surgeons for referrals. Step 6. Launch with a small number of discounted, founding client sessions to build your portfolio and reviews. Step 7. Raise your pricing to full rate once you have real before and after results to show. On the tool side, you don't need much, but a proper booking and client intake system is genuinely necessary here, because clients need to fill out health forms, consent forms, and schedule multi-session treatments. This is exactly the kind of setup where working with a team like SoftAngles makes sense. They can build you a simple booking website or CRM so client intake, consultations, and follow-ups are organized in one place instead of scattered across texts and DMs. If you want that set up properly, you can book a free consultation and estimate with SoftAngles. The link is in the description. For marketing, online works best through before and after photos on Instagram and TikTok, with proper client consent, since visual proof is what sells this service. Offline, partnering with dermatology clinics and support groups for conditions like vitiligo or post-mastectomy care builds steady referrals. On a low budget, start with organic social content and word of mouth before spending on ads. Once you have consistent bookings, scale by raising prices, training an assistant, or expanding into related services like Areola tattooing specifically. The risks here are real. Skin reactions, pigment mismatch, and client dissatisfaction can hurt your reputation fast in a small, trust-based niche. Insurance is non-negotiable. And because this work touches medical and emotional situations, like scars from surgery or abuse, you need genuine bedside manner, not just technical skill. A few do's and don'ts before you commit. Do get proper certification and insurance. Do build a portfolio with real, consented before and after results. Do partner with medical professionals. Don't skip licensing to save a few $100s. Don't take on complex cases before you're experienced. And don't underprice a specialized medical-adjacent skill just because you're new. So, final verdict, is it worth starting? If you already have a beauty or tattoo background and can invest around $5,000 to $10,000 in proper training and setup, yes, this is one of the stronger add-on services in the beauty industry right now, with genuine underserved demand. If you have zero experience with skin or tattooing and are looking for a quick side income, this is not your starting point. Build foundational skills first. If this video helped you think through the real numbers, subscribe for more breakdowns like this one. And if you're ready to move forward and need your booking system, website, or client management set up properly, SoftAngles offers a free consultation and estimate. Link is in the description below.